Hello guys, welcome to Fortify solution. In this video, we'll install and run apache2 HTTP server. Now to start with, first we have to upgrade our packages. So package upgrade. Now, that's done. Now all I have to do is we have to install a package, that is package install apache2 apache2. Yeah, now fine. By default, I already installed this package, so it shows that it's already installed. But just for information, it's around 30 to 31 MB size package, so it's quite huge as compared to Termux packages sizes. Now once we done this thing, you install. Now you just before run the actual application, just run this one, localhost 8080, and you can see the screen. It shows that the site cannot be reached. Now, okay. Now once you install, so now run the application. Now apachectl and run. Oh, something spelled wrong, I guess. Oh, it's not X, apachectl. Yeah. So finally the message comes, HTTPD could not reliably determine the server. Okay, fine. So even though you can see my local host is created, see, just check, it's worked. So this is how we have created apache2 HTTP server. That's what exactly we want to establish in this video. Thanks for watching. Rabraka.